I'm Steve, and welcome to the AI Beginner Academy podcast, a simple, friendly place to learn AI one clear lesson at a time. Welcome to a special bonus series here on the AI Beginner podcast. In these episodes, I'm sharing the audiobook version of my guide, AI Made Simple, the beginner's guide to artificial intelligence. Each bonus episode features a chapter designed to help absolute beginners understand AI in a clear, easy, and confidence-building way. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this chapter from the audiobook. So, let's jump right into the introduction. Welcome, and thank you for purchasing AI Made Simple, the beginner's guide to artificial intelligence, written and narrated by Steve Buckner. This book is all about helping everyday people understand, explore, and thrive in the age of AI, without the jargon, without the overwhelm, and without needing a tech background. Over the next couple of hours, we'll walk through what AI really is, how it fits into your daily life, and how you can start using it to save time, boost creativity, and work smarter, not harder. You'll hear real examples, simple explanations, and a few personal stories along the way, all designed to make learning about AI approachable, practical, and even a little fun. So, whether you're listening on your commute, at the gym, or relaxing at home, sit back and enjoy the journey. By the end, you'll see that AI isn't something to fear, it's something to use. Let's get started with AI Made Simple, the beginner's guide to artificial intelligence. Introduction. Welcome to the age of everyday AI. Why this book exists. Let's be honest. For most people, artificial intelligence sounds complicated, intimidating, and maybe even a little mysterious. Between the tech jargon, wild news headlines, and robots taking over talk, it's no wonder so many people feel left behind. But here's the truth. AI isn't just for scientists, engineers, or big corporations anymore. It's for everyone. And it's changing the world faster than most of us can keep up. That's why I wrote this book. I wanted to create something simple, friendly, and practical, a guide that makes AI easy to understand and even easier to use, no matter your background. No math, no code, no technical deep dives, just plain English explanations and real-world examples that show how AI can make your life and work better, starting today. If you've ever opened ChatGPT or heard someone talk about AI tools and thought, okay, but where do I even start? You're exactly who this book is for. A little bit about me. I've been working in technology for a long time, since the 1980s, back when floppy disks were still considered high-tech. My career has centered around IT infrastructure and the Microsoft ecosystem, and I've been a Microsoft certified trainer for years. In 2012, I shifted my focus to cloud systems engineering and have spent the last decade helping organizations adopt modern technologies securely and effectively. But here's the part that matters most for this book. I've seen firsthand how overwhelming technology can feel for people who aren't in the tech world. That's why I started AIBeginner.net, to make AI approachable for everyone. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or just curious about this new world, I want to show you that AI doesn't have to be intimidating. It can actually be empowering, fun, and surprisingly human. I've always believed that technology should lift people up, not leave them behind. And I'm optimistic that if we approach AI with curiosity and creativity, it could do exactly that. AI is not science fiction anymore. For decades, AI was something out of the movies, talking robots, glowing red eyes, futuristic cities. The truth is, we've quietly crossed into that someday future, and nobody got the memo. Today, AI isn't hiding in a lab somewhere. It's in your phone, your car, your favorite apps, your TV, your music playlist, even in your spam filter. It's quietly shaping your daily life, helping you find better routes, suggest what to watch, write emails faster, and improve photos before you post them. The difference now is accessibility. You no longer need a supercomputer or a PhD in computer science to use AI. All you need is a web browser and an idea. So yes, AI is here, and no, it's not out to take over the world. It's still struggling to write a good knock-knock joke. But it is reshaping how we work, learn, and create, and that's something worth understanding. You're already using it and didn't even know it. Here's the funny thing. You've probably been using AI for years without realizing it. Every time you ask Siri or Alexa a question, your phone unlocks by scanning your face. Gmail finishes your sentence for you. Netflix suggests a movie you actually like. Your car warns you of traffic before you see the brake lights. That's AI quietly doing its job behind the scenes. What's new and exciting is that AI has gone from being invisible to interactive. You can now have full conversations with it. You can brainstorm ideas, generate artwork, write business plans, or summarize research just by asking. And it's not just for tech people. It's for teachers, entrepreneurs, writers, parents, and anyone who wants to save time, get creative, or work a little smarter. The point is, you're not starting from zero. You're already an AI user. This book will simply help you become a confident one. How to get the most out of this guide. This isn't a textbook. It's a friendly companion. We're going to walk through the world of AI together, one simple concept at a time. Here are a few tips to make the most of it. Stay curious. You don't need to understand everything right away. Curiosity will take you further than expertise. Take it one chapter at a time. Each section builds on the last, but you can jump ahead if something catches your interest. Try the examples. You'll find short, practical exercises along the way, quick AI experiments to get hands-on experience. Keep a light heart. AI can be serious stuff, but that doesn't mean we can't have fun with it. By the end of this book, my goal is that you'll understand what AI actually is and isn't. Know how to use it confidently in your daily life or work. See the opportunities ahead, not the fears. AI is here to help us, to amplify our ideas, accelerate our learning, and open new doors we couldn't imagine a few years ago. And this is your chance to step confidently into that world. Welcome to the age of everyday AI, where the future isn't something to fear, it's something to use. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me today. I hope you are enjoying the book so far. If you'd like simple, friendly ways to learn AI at your own pace, you can explore more at aibeginner.net. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next chapter.